Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode of 33 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, asked on his Facebook page for you to ask him questions. We read the questions, take the cool, funny, and the weird, and dispel the myths and the rumors. In today's episode, we're talking about more staff on ships, the Serenity Deck, gluten-free, Pride and the Pixels, and sending stuff to crew members. All right, question one. Are they adding more staff now that the ships are cruising full? They notice that when they're on the Lido deck, it takes a really long time to get a drink. There's only 2 or 3 servers running around busting their butts in the heat, and it takes them forever to get a drink. A lot of people said, just go get your own drink. And then they're like, well, if we do that, then we're going to get yelled at for being chair hogs and holding our seats. So they're in a conundrum. John's response: they have been fully staffed for months, and they, according to their plans, have no gaps in hotel service areas. If you do have an issue on a cruise, feel free to write John or get with the folks on the cruise, actually, yeah, and let them know of your displeasure, and they will absolutely take a look into it. Question 2. Why does the Serenity Deck, Carnival's 21 and over, adults only deck, close at 10 o'clock at night? Simple answer: they got to clean it. It takes hours. You got a bunch of people up there throughout the whole day, doing spray tans, suntan lotion, leaving stuff. They need to take some time to get it clean for the next morning when they open it back up and the guests walk in and not looking around at old stuff floating around from the night before. So it takes time. This person was just diagnosed with celiac disease, and they understand that they have a gluten-free menu. Their concern was, is it prepared in a separate area so there's no cross-contamination? Answer: yes. They do have a full gluten-free menu, and yes, it is entirely prepared in a separate area so there is no cross-contamination. So if you are gluten intolerant or have celiac disease, you can order from the menu and it is in its own separate area in the kitchen. So you're good. These folks just got off the Pride, and they're wondering why Pixels did not have the updated screens. Where you get to touch them and see all your pictures and stuff like that. And they're wondering why they're still the old print ones, because they hated going through all the photos, which I love, by the way. It's kind of a contest between me and Liz, who can find them first. I thought it was much better. It's time consuming, it's a cluster, but I still think it's fun. We've been cruising a while. And he said, quite frankly, it's just a matter of space. And I'd imagine time and money too, to take all those screens, install them, take everything out and put it in. So endgame, he said, it's just simply a matter of space. And on the smaller ships, it is extremely hard to do. So if you like the content you're seeing, please like and subscribe. We would absolutely love it. We love cruising. We love sharing the information. Thank you. The last one, which I thought was pretty cool. If someone wanted to send a package to a crew member, where would it need to be sent and what information needs to be put on there so they ensure that that crew member gets it? John said, thank you very much for thinking about the crew. They greatly appreciate it. He said you would need, get a pen, the crew member's name, the ship, and their position. Use the address that we put in the description. I'm just reading Liz's notes, I'm kidding. We're gonna put the address in the description on this one, and you can absolutely send a package to a crew member after the cruise. So it will go to the Miami address. they will take it and make sure it gets true to that crew member. So that's really cool. So if after the fact you wanted to send one of the magnificent crew members something, get their information so they know it goes to the right person. And yeah, that's super cool. So read the description. The address is going to be in there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.